How's it going, everybody? Never Stop the RC. Happy Sunday to you. How's your Sunday going, guys? You guys doing any RC? If you are, let me know about it in the comments. I always like to hear about what you guys are up to. It's a great day out here today. I think Rob and Steve and probably the others will be along pretty soon. So I have a few things. Let me show you real quick. All right, so this is a Multiplex Porter, and Multiplex makes great airplanes. I really like their stuff. They go together really well. This one's set up for FPV, and so when Rob comes along, we'll put this in the air, and you know, he'll chase it around and stuff. This is a cracked Beaver. This is a Twisted Hobbies plane. This is actually Ryan's plane. He let me have it. And the aileron servos were stripped, just replaced those, and we'll see how it does. And then depending on how much wind comes up, may or may not fly this. This is the Stevens Aero Mudbug. This plane is about 14 years old. Built this thing a long time ago. Stevens Aero makes really nice balsa kits. Doesn't make this particular model anymore, but lots of small ones this size, UMX size. This has a brushless 180 motor in it, 2-cell LiPo, and it flies really slow, but it does not like wind. It's got a big wing and very lightweight, but we'll see how it does. I just made this into a Mud Cub and got some graphics from Cali's Graphics. So anyway, it's been about 14 years, so you never know what's gonna happen. Morning, Rob.
Are these ancient?
No.
You just got it?
Well, yeah, the Porter is actually, I got it at Flight Fest, so that was like a year and a half ago maybe.
Oh, when you smashed up Terra?
Yeah. Oh. It was kind of I feel bad for myself by I smashed my Aptera, so I'm gonna buy a new airplane. But it's just sat in the box for a long time. And
oh, you had it since then and not taken out of the box?
Yeah. So I finally just took it out. I mean, it takes like 10 minutes to put together.
Man, it's a cool looking plane.
Yeah, it flies well. We'll fly it. Yeah. So this is your latest build.
It's an oxymoronic thing.
Catalyst Machine Works massive droner. Yeah, it's not massive.
I guess it's a droner.
Yeah, it looks cool.
It's a cool looking frame. I mean, it's
Oh, yeah.
tough. I mean, look at that. Feel it. It's like
Yeah.
a little tank.
Yeah, he's back.
Greetings, Jeff.
Hey ladies, what's up? Waffles, pancake, bacon.
Oh man, now I'm getting hungry.
I know, I'm going to brunch in Rossmore. RC has nothing on breakfast foods.
Yeah, exactly.
I updated, I was running the release candidate of INAV, so now I'm running the stable version. Stable.
Is this 2 meters or more?
2.5.
Yeah,
It's big.
it's a big glider.
Yep. Well, I wanted to go thermaling, you know, and it's just real gliders are a little too dangerous for my taste. Also, you need this pilot's license, and
You know,
how I feel
hassle.
about licenses from.
Wait, for gliders, do you need a light sport or do you need
I
a?
think it's a light. I think it's
Yeah,
a sport. Yeah.
right.
It's my friend Al has, and he used to do that stuff. Oh, look at that! And now it's locked in.
It's locked.
Locked.
Locked and loaded.
Locked and loaded. Check that beast out. Well, they're sending me a second one because the first one is a little.
Woo, doggy!
Nice.
Maybe, but not like it.
Nah.
And even if you did land on it, it really wouldn't matter.
Mud bug.
Mud bug.
It's the most vicious, evil plane
Looks evil.
ever
The
created.
mud bug, it's also called the Sixty Fly. What? 60.
You might not want to stand there. It's dangerous.
I can't wait for all the decompression parties.
Whoa. Whoa. Want me to hand launch it for you? Oh yeah.
Sounds good.
Whoa. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
It looks like a butterfly. Your prop watch is probably going to knock that thing out of the sky.
Floats like a butterfly, stings like a bee.
That thing should be like an ornithop thing.
It's coming! Everyone duck! That's gonna kill it!
I think I'd survive a crash.
You or it?
Me.
Balsa flies better.
Is this a balsa plane?
Yeah. Balsa does fly better. What was that?
Prop watch. That was prop watch.
That was awesome.
He's buffing him up.
Tried to prop watch.
You trying to crash me?
No!
Wind shear me down into the ground?
I'm trying to get good close video. If I am right behind, up above you, I feel like
Yeah!
some power. It climbs. Well, I think it was you on a plane.
14 years later, still flies.
Same battery, right?
Actually, these batteries are really old.
Oh,
Not
great.
14 years old, but...
Whoa. Whoa.
It's just got the power and let
So was this one of your first airplanes that you made? Whoa. Not like flying in the worst place to fly.
14 years, still flies.
Awesome. Nice job.
Oh, yeah!
That was beautiful.
You have 2 radios?
Yeah, I have a Spectrum.
Where's Jeff? I'm gonna go bombard him.
But
For a landing.
I was going to get rid of
Oh,
it.
in the
so
grass?
There's so many E-flight planes and all this other stuff. You want to keep a Spectrum radio.
I have all mine programmed on here on the module, but I have to say the Spectrum feels like a higher quality.
It's a higher quality radio.
Like,
But it's starting to wear out. John's just
Have one kind of similar to that?
Mr. Liang knows what he's talking about.
foam. It used to be cans, actually. It was cans first.
I've been looking at those other X10, X.
Hey, when are we gonna have the regular weekly jet?
Soon. Once the ESC gets here, we'll do a repair.
Okay.
It should be here any day, I'm guessing.
How's the puffin working out?
Puffin's working great.
It looks like it's keeping your plane together. You've had some really bad landings lately. and yet it's still together. It's still flyable,
It's
right?
not binding.
There was that one landing where you kind of like skipped along and then it kind of just fell apart. And that other landing where you hit the wooden thing at the end of the runway. Remember, kind of the gear went over and got.
Yes.
Remember that one?
Yes.
There was that other
Why am I
landing-
reliving this nightmare?
There's that other landing where you hit the pole. Remember that? And the whole plane just exploded.
Oh, the day of reckoning. Oh,
yeah,
yes.
that was a day of reckoning.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
You got a lot of views on that one, I think.
Well, I don't know. Maybe people like to see crashes. But that plane was fixed and flying the next week.
That's right.
That's the way you do it.
Oh, we don't lay down here.
No. You break it, fix it, and you go again. All right. Well, good luck with the landing.
5665.
It's hard to see the trees there.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, there's another plane up here.
I mean, could I go under the net with this thing?
Be on the planes. I don't know. I find it more like not stressful, but just a little bit more like.
You know, that's like one of those restraining nets.
That is the part.
It was such a good landing.
It's like on an
It was so greased, and
Put
then
them up in the emergency.
we done?
Are we done?
We done?
No donuts today.
Sorry, man.
Bummer.
I know. You can't expect that every week.
Well,
I mean,
I was expecting it.
I thought you'd
this
bring the
week.
donuts.
No, I finally came down from my high. That was awesome.
Did you finish like 8 donuts that day?
Yeah, thanks for letting me bring those home. I really
Sure.
appreciate it.
Oh, happy to do that.
We miss our little guys that were all out here this summer. They're all out in college now,
That's right. They've all moved on to bigger things.
and they
We miss
have moved
them.
on to bigger things.
Yeah.
But they were a smart group of guys. I mean, they'll never be back.
What you mean?
Once they see what the real world has in it, they're
Some people do keep coming back. Not quite as smart. Oh, now people are gonna say, "Don't pick on Rob.
don't pick on Rob.
Don't pick on Rob."
His scars have all healed, though.
Right, that's right. The surgery was a success.
It was.
He's okay.
Yeah. Too bad they
I
put
have
some.
Wolverine-esque healing skills.
Oh yeah. Yeah, don't mess with them. That's a lot of synthol in his arms.
I have Deadpool healing
Oh.
skills.
Tell me how
Deadpool.
quick this thing's going. Try to take a video of it.
Wait. Okay. You want me to film it?
No, I was seeing if you could actually even film it.
Oh, there's no way I could film that thing. It's a bug.
I'll do a quick pass.
Yeah. Forget it.
Huh? What? Wait, you didn't even try.
I'm not gonna try.
Oh,
I've tried filming. Whoa!
something died.
What happened? What the heck?
Something died.
You lost something.
Holy.
Quad just disintegrated.
But
Props disintegrated. Looks like.
When that happened, you would think it would just drop from the sky?
No, it didn't hit anything. It's
Hey.
RPMs.
You dropped these.
Oh, what do the props look like? Look at that.
Hey man, that's a good build. Good job. Quality.
Wow.
Oh man, you really.
Oh, I need a new
It
antenna.
disintegrated three
It's
props.
totally.
It disintegrated them.
That's
Oh,
like.
you know what? I probably shouldn't be using 6,000
Okay,
kV
it's
motors.
all yours.
Rob.
Nice. Jump of that
Rob, you
outhouse.
push things too hard sometimes.
Man,
Oh yeah.
that was epic. I mean, what does it look like? Did you
That
take a
must-
video of it?
No, I didn't get it. But it was flipping along the ground pretty good.
I
It
mean,
was basically cartwheeling
you know
down
that
the
TIE
runway.
fighter in
Yeah.
Empire Strikes Back?
Right.
It's hit and it flies into the,
Dump
Yeah.
you know? Or was it the Y-wing?
I have
It's one of those
dump thumbs
things.
every time
One of
I
those
play,
ones-
except
Yeah.
today for some
Yeah,
reason,
it
I
was
don't have
just
dump thumbs.
rolling.
Maybe it's 'cause I didn't.
I think you've got some repairs to do.
No, but it ripped up the back.
Is it?
Yeah.
I thought I was going to be able to spin
Whoa,
it
I
around.
hit the porta potty. It's another. You know, those things are magnetic.
They really are. It's weird. So how do you feel about this quad?
What the? It disintegrated the props.
It just everything just blew apart in the air.
I've never done that.
No. But is the frame broken? I guess is it?
No, I got to get side plates, but it's actually in pretty good shape.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You didn't break the arms.
No,
Just the
the retaining back end.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. You look like you pulled a wire out
what did you
too.
put on your
Yeah, I don't know.
window?
That's probably not
How did you
important.
get to do that? That's super lightweight.
It's red though.
Oh, Rob.
Don't cut the red wire.
Stick on the
That's crazy.
Sorry, I made fun of you, Rob. Now that you've had a bad day.
Actually, that was a fun day. There's a lot of good video.
It's a good day. Yeah.
There's a lot.
Oh, the chasing looked really good.
I got the glide. I got everything, at least once.
Yeah.
And we have it under the net. That thing, the cracked beaver.
Yeah, I love that crack beaver. That thing's fun.
Man.
This flew really well. And
Yeah.
even the old mud bug flew well.
You know what? These kind of look the same. This is like the 3D crazy cracked version of that plane.
Could be, yeah.
I mean, look
Could
at
be.
them.